Hello, hello, hello. Hello, Po. How are you? How are you doing, everyone? Well, just four of us right now, but I guess people will come in as we go through the day. All right. How is my voice? How is the sound? I'm back on the mask duty. Is it any better than before? Or is it still worse? Can someone please tell me? Better, worse. All good. Lovely, lovely, lovely. This is good. I don't know what was wrong with it. All right, so let's start off, guys. Please feel free to share the Discord link, the YouTube link to people. That would be great if people are not aware that I'm live. So it would be good to share it out. And let's see where we are. So let's start off with daily quickly. On the daily, the price is now going for external range liquidity. We have taken this liquidity. We have taken previous month liquidity lows as well for December. Now we are going towards the November lows. Now, the only thing standing between us and the November lows is that can we have a turtle soup over here? So I want to keep my eyes peeled to see what happens once we start reaching for these areas. Do we keep throttling down or do we reverse quickly and start to take, start going higher? That is where I'm going to base my understanding. Like that's how I'm going to see the price. How do we react to this? Once the market opens, we have swept previous day low? So the previous day low right over here has been swept. Once the previous day low is gone, okay, we have taken a lot of liquidity that we wanted to. Do we proceed higher or do we get rejected straight away and we stay under previous day low? In simple words, in days like these, what you want to see is once you reach previous day low and market opens, do you quickly go above it? If you're not able to quickly go above that liquidity area, that means the market is trending lower further. All right, so most likely this could be just how do you say it? How I see it is it could not be a trend day and it could be a consolidation New York session. But whatever it is, we'll get to know and we'll play it accordingly. So yeah, let's keep our eyes open. Let's keep our eyes peeled on how the market opens and reacts. So let's go down a little bit and see what's happening. So let's start off with 6 hourly. 6 hourly, obviously we have inverted this fair value gap, started or run down. So in the best, in the normal scenario, this was the impulse leg. We went to the premium of the impulse leg, we came down. Now we are reaching for external range liquidity. If you bring in the OTE, perfect rejection from OTE, right? We have a fair value gap up top. So you want to see if the market tries to reverse, does it go back inside this fair value gap? And if it goes back inside this fair value gap, what happens here? So we could, if this sort of price action is supposed to play out, we could have a trade where we do this, retest previous day low, and then go for this. That's a perfect trade for the day. Intraday, that would be a lovely trade, right? So we'll keep an eye on that sort of positioning. The second positioning that I can see over here is that we try to go further lower, but there's loads of areas from where price can bounce. These inverted fair value gaps are very crucial. So yeah, keep your eyes peeled. It's going to be, I think it might end up being a consolidation session, but if we start trending in one direction, it could also be a very fun session to have. Let's quickly look down and the 90 minutes first. 1 hour to close for this candle, but if we are to do that, if we are to leave an acceleration gap, and this is the high that has been created, yeah, the two liquidity areas like this liquidity 400% and then that turtle soup 250%, like literally pinpoint accuracy. If this happens, can this be achieved? Yes, I really feel this can be done in the open. If the market starts flushing after open, we can do this. We can basically just drip down, take this 200%, come back up, retest, and then go down again. So yeah, possible, highly likely. But yes, again, you want to be open to both sides of the market, but also you want to respect what the market is trying to do right now. So yeah, I'll just say it again. Till the time we are below previous day low, I'll be bearish. If we go above previous day low, I would like to see, what happens in all these fair value gaps that we are leaving behind. Looking around and going down to 15 minutes. So we already have acceleration gap on the 15 minute. Okay, let's get rid of this. In today's morning session, I was bearish. I just, I had a feeling this market is going to do this. So yeah, very well played market. So we have the targets. Again, if the market is able to stay bearish, stay below the previous day low, you can see that the targets are in line with what we want. So yeah, just keep your eyes open, keep your patience there. Just wait for the market to give you a confirmation instead of fighting for a confirmation and trying to get into a trade that you don't want to be part of. I think that's the best way forward. Other than it's not about jumping into trades. It's more about staying focused and letting the market come to you rather than going towards the market today. All right, Gomez, good afternoon. How are you doing? So quickly, intraday levels, let's just check them out. So Asia high intact, New York PM high intact, London high intact. All the lows are gone. So only liquidity left is towards the upside. If the market is really, wants to reverse, it has a lot of targets to achieve. It would be fun. It would be fun to see what the market really does. I mean, what I would like to see is the first 5 minutes and a break and a change in state of delivery on this. If I can get a change in state of delivery on this in the first 5 minutes and close above this, then I'm happy to take a trade from here, put my stops under this low and take it towards Asia high, or put the stops under this low. Like that's the low that we should not visit no matter what, if the market truly will be bullish. So yeah, let's keep our eyes open. Let's see what happens. And guys, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Let me just log in here as well. Cool, I'm in. All right, so let me know if you have any questions, anything, just put it in the comments and I'm happy to answer. 6 minutes to open. In terms of my long-term trades, I think everything is just looking rubbish. So this guy is basically now stopped out, gave a nice try. We were doing well and then, yeah, stopped out now. So let's get rid of this. This is just surviving, I think. I hope it hits my TP because I haven't had a long-term trade TP for a while because of the market condition. This one has basically done well. So my entry on this is somewhere around here. It has done well. So now I'm break even on this. This guy got stopped out right over here. So I'm stopped out on this, just FYI. I don't know why this is sitting. So let me get rid of this. And in DSN, yeah, this is going fine. I'll let it run to the full TP. I'm not going to move my TP. I'll just take a TP, to be honest. Yeah, I'll take a TP on this and let it run. REM, yeah, just still slow. And Tokyo Tecmon is also doing well. Still a long way to go for my full target. But yeah, I'll let it play out. It's still, again, break even. And in terms of things that I'm watching, there's no trade, nothing at all. Everything is stuck in consolidation. I don't have anything to offer on the long-term trades. So yeah, just chilling with them. Hello. All right, so let's go down and see what's going on. So 5 minutes to open, guys. Any questions, feel free to ask. I'm quite sure you have a couple. Yes, there you go. Let's see the question. Looking at today's London session, which was inside of the Asia session, how do we analyze such price action? Please, no AMD, no continuation, no reversal. So even though Asia high and New York PM high was not taken, this is what I was discussing with the mentees, that I expect these to be taken, but they were not taken. London Q1 was taken. And my thesis was that I'm bearish today. And once the market basically has swept London Q1 high, all you have to do is enter. So you enter here, put your stops here, and you just let it play. So the market was quite nice, to be honest, in my opinion, in the London session, even though I did not catch any trade. So I took a gold trade, lost it 0.5 hour, then took another one, won it. But on NAS, I did not take any trade as such. Yeah, I didn't get an opportunity, so I did not get anything. So I did not take anything on NAS in the London session. So right now, like, if you will ask me, my day is what? Plus 0.9 hour ish. I mean, I can say plus 1 hour, but to be precise, it's plus 0.9 hour as of now. And yeah, let's see how the day goes. I mean, if I'm going short today, I'm going full risk. If I'm going long, I'm going half risk. It's as simple as that. I hope that answers your question, Gomez. All right. People on Twitter, if you have not subscribed to the YouTube channel, please do. It's going to help me a lot. It gives me a lot of confidence. It gives me a lot of happiness to see people getting subscribed. I check every day, just letting you know. I check every day how many subscribers I gain. So it's fun when people subscribe. It's kind of an achievement that, okay, people are interested in the content I'm offering. Otherwise, when they don't subscribe, I'm like, oh, looks like they don't like me anymore. Wow. 2 streams I've done without mask. They were so much more fun. Breathing inside the mask is fucking tough, man. All right, all right, all right. So let's look at gold, what gold is trying to do. So yeah, my short on gold worked well. It was good analysis, good short, took it, closed it early. I closed it somewhere around here. On these candles, I got stopped out, but it went to my target. It could go lower. So yeah, pissed off, but it's okay. That it is what it is. That's what trading is, isn't it? You get some big winners and then you get some small losers and not so big winners. Like yesterday, I don't know how many of you are on Discord, but yesterday was a beautiful, beautiful day. Like I was up 3.9k per account on Top Step, and it was like, yeah, give me that. So yesterday was amazing, and I don't expect that day to happen every day. I would be happy to have it today again, but I don't expect that. So yeah, today I'm just being a bit more, just watching the market a little bit more instead of reacting to my yesterday's wins. Like yesterday in the morning session, I think I said it. I'm expecting a plus 10-hour day pretty soon, and that's what happened. I had a 9-hour day yesterday. Perfect price action, caught it early. AMD just worked out perfectly. 33 seconds to market open. So yeah, let's see what the market has to offer us. Again, if I see a change in state of delivery here, that would be my trigger. Otherwise, yeah, I need to wait and check what happens. It's trying to push. Let's see. All right. So initial push is towards the downside, but not yet completed. So staying below previous day low as of now. Just give it a couple more minutes. Just let it do its thing. I think it's going to reach out for these targets, but I need an entry. For an entry, I need at least one 1 minute fair value gap to confirm my trade. Before that, I can't enter. But yeah, just keep an eye on how it reacts to these lows as well. Do we go below, sweep all the liquidity, and then just start going higher, or do we just keep dumping? So I want to keep an eye on that as well. So yeah, let's see. But it's a good rejection of previous day low as of now. Like even though closure has not happened, I would say this is still looking brilliant. We have inverted this fair value gap with power. But yeah, just wait and watch. Let the market do its thing, and then we can jump in. No trade for me yet. I'm still waiting. Let the market digest all the information it's getting. Can you hear me breathing? Because I think you are. Yeah. Okay, so looks like it wants to go lower, but yeah, let's give it, let it make the first fair value gap. I want to see, do we go back to retest it? I'm happy not to have a trade today. I'll be very honest. I'm happy if I don't get a trade. I don't want to jump into the trade and get stuck. That's the only thing that I'm worried about today. So I want the market to do its thing, give me the right opportunity that I want, and then I want to jump in. So it's the first 3 minutes, bearish price action. So if we were to plan a trade, it will look something along these lines. I have to take this as a stop loss. I can't take that. Okay, now it doesn't. So we wait. If there was another fair value gap, I might have jumped in. So just going to see how we react here, how we close this candle in the next 23 seconds. So just waiting, and watching. So just hold on to your horses. Not yet. No questions. That's good. So this is the 3rd minute. So this will 1 more minute to 5-minute closure, and the 5-minute candle honestly is looking bullish right now. I mean, it could close here, and it could look really ugly, but as of now, it's looking good. Okay, I'm gonna try a short position. It will be full risk. So let me just place it and decide how I'm going to enter it. So stop loss will be above previous day low. I've not yet entered, guys, so just wait until I confirm. I'll be targeting this area. Just wait for this candle to close as well, because this sort of reaction I don't like. So I'm not yet entered. Still not in a trade. Good, I'm not in a trade. Okay, good, we are not in a trade. So just going to wait. Give it a couple more minutes. Okay, let's see how I'll give it another 1 minute just to be on the safe side, because there's a lot of liquidity up top as well. I just want to see it get taken, and then we'll see what to do. Any questions? Sorry, I'm basically on top step as well on the other side, so that's why I'm not able to read questions if there are any. So still wait and watch. We have gone above previous day low. Now I want to see whether we can sustain above it or not. So now that fair value gap is gone. We have a new one. Let's see if we can create a new high out of this. There's no trade yet, no confirmed trade, so I'm just waiting for an opportunity. So still waiting on an opportunity to come. There's no trade yet. Let's see how this candle closes. Give it a couple more seconds. 17 more seconds. So if this candle closes nicely, then maybe there is a trade for us. So this will look something along these lines. It's a wide stop loss, so be careful. But we will get our 2R somewhere around Asia London high. So this is the sort of trade I will be planning, but I'm not yet in. I'm going to see another closure. So one more candle closure above this, and that's when I will try to trigger it. So I'm not yet in. I'll let you know once I'm in. So if I get a closure above, like change in state of delivery right over here, that's when I'll be into this trade. Okay, this is a nice rush. Let's see what sort of closure we get on this. 25 seconds to go. Damn it. Yeah, sometimes you keep waiting and nothing happens. Okay, I will enter at the close of this candle. I'll put my stops under this candle's low, the displacement candle's low. I'm in 25. Okay, entry is just over here somewhere, and I'll aim for 2 hour, guys. So 2 hour aim, whatever the target is, I don't care. So aiming for 2 hour, I've entered this trade. Let's see what happens. In God's name, hope it goes to full TP. Okay, any questions? No? Nice. So as of now, the reaction looks good. What I want to see is like if we can basically sustain above all these highs and push through, that would give me more confidence on this trade. Until that happens, yeah, you just have to wait and watch. That's the only thing you can do. You want to basically see clear pushes now. You have already seen one fair value gap being respected, now created another one in 5 seconds. You want to see if you can basically make another fair value gap after this, then you get extension targets. That's what gives you confidence, doesn't it? Other than that, nothing else will give you confidence. So yeah, let's wait and watch. Wait and see, wait and watch, whatever it is. Come on, push it. So if by God's grace we leave a fair value gap, yeah, 450% will be somewhere around here. So hopefully we can reach it. Like 20 more seconds to go. Hopefully we leave a fair value gap as well. Can't really say we will, but hopefully we will. Okay, so we have back-to-back fair value gaps. Now it's all about going for the targets. Let's see whether we can achieve that. And if it is to achieve that, it will basically most likely test the first one and just bounce. If it goes below the first one, then yeah, it's highly unlikely that we will achieve that. So stops are still where they are. No movement of stops. I mean, to be honest, I'm going to reduce my risk and move my stops to this low, 24,757. Just reducing the risk, getting some risk off the table, because this is a full risk trade that I entered by mistake. It's better I reduce it. I mean, I'm happy if I make the money, but yeah, I've entered it by mistake. I have to say when I'm wrong that I'm wrong. Cannot just keep saying I'm always right. So yeah. So just want to be secure, just make sure that, okay, I'm not too exposed to the market. So what I want to see now is that we don't start engulfing these candles. It's fine to come back and retest certain areas, but we don't want to see engulfing of candles. That's the main thing. If we are engulfing candles, then that's a problem. Like come down, retest, but close higher. That's what you will want to see from each candle that happens here on. But yeah, let's see. 15 more seconds to go. Let's see how this candle closes. So we are now in a small loss. This is what I didn't want to see. In my honest opinion, we don't want this like to go deep into the second fair value gap. We want it to bounce from this first one. If it goes deeper into the second fair value gap, that will mean that the market might just want to go lower. This was just a fake move to gather all the people and then just go lower. If we see a new high being created on this candle, I would most likely go and move my stops to break even and just completely reduce and remove my risk from this trade. Because what's the use of carrying on all that risk when you can move it to break even? So, but you want to see a new high to be created before you do that, just to be sure. Any questions? Nobody else has any questions. Wow, man. I mean, it's good that you guys understand everything, but it would be good if you ask questions as well. Okay, I'm not liking the closure on this candle. Let's see. One more minute. That's fine. Let's see whether it's a nice little push up and we create a new high. If so, we'll move break even. So as I said, a new high has to be created for me to go break even. Before that, there is nothing called break even for me on this trade. The moment a new high is created, I will go break even, and then yeah, then it's at least I don't have any risk associated. But yeah, looks like it's getting rejected. What is this line? Asia low. Oh, yeah, Asia low is rejecting price, guys, every time. So not good. It's a time-based liquidity. We want to trade above it. That should be the first thing that this market does, is trade above Asia low now. Come on, push it. You can do it. Create a new high. Come on. Just fucking $2. Fuck you. Come on. New high. Oh, fuck you. Fuck you. It's not creating a new high. It's just literally equal highs now. And again, oh my goodness, that's a new high. I'm going to go break even on the close of this candle. And no matter how this candle closes, I'll just go break even. Because if it gets rejected now, it's going to go straight for my stop loss. And I don't want that to happen. So at the close of this candle, I'm going to go break even and then let this market play do what it wants to do. You know, you take risk, you decide on how you take risk, and that is me break even. If I get stopped, I get stopped. I don't care. But I don't want to foresee any risk. So I'm break even on this trade. No TP taken, but break even because I do not want this market to now come down. If this comes down, I feel my stops will be hit, and new SL is break even. Yeah, if it comes down, I feel that my SL is gonna be taken, and I don't like that. You know, better just protect your profits, or protect your account at least. If you can't protect a trade, protect your account. That at least minimizes losses. So yeah, any question from anyone? CISD on 2 minutes. We are focusing on the PA. Yes, focus on the PA. Very well done. It's good, right? That's what you should be doing, to be honest, Ilyada. When I'm trading my own accounts, right? You guys should be focused on the PA. Try to read the PA. Listen to me like I'm the best storyteller ever. But focus on what you see in the market. Because I might not see certain opportunities that you might. So it's always better to do that way. So I like it. I like what you just said. So yeah, just keep your eyes on this nice little turtle soup that could happen. We need to push higher. In simplest of words, if we get rejected here, it's a short opportunity for me. If I was not in this long, I would be looking at this and I'll be like, okay, can you get rejected here? Like this. But yeah, you need to wait and watch. You need to let the market do its thing. You really can't, like, we are in a trade, right? We have a thesis that we are trying to play. So we just respect that thesis and we say, okay, fine. We have moved our stops to break even. We have reduced our risk completely, and we are now just, in a spot where whatever happens, we don't lose any money. So let the market do its thing, because you can't move it above this anymore. There's no space to move it up. All you can do is wait, watch, and let the market play out. It's just got stuck in that area. Come on, push it. Good. Another new high, but again, consolidatory high, not a proper displacement high. So I don't like that. Until there is a displacement, I don't like anything that's happening here. Once we have displacement, yes, I would love it. Until we have some displacement to the upside, there's nothing I like in this chart. Cool. In regards of TP, first TP will be 200%, nothing below it. There's no TP. And then 400%. So 2 TP strategy on this trade. I'm not taking like 3-4 TPs. So 2 TPs only. And yeah, let's see. Okay, that's a good bounce. Lower time frames are looking good. Order book is flat, in my opinion. Like how I analyze it, I don't see loads of limit orders or market orders flowing through. It's flatter than normal, and that's hence the consolidation, isn't it? Once the order book starts getting volume in, then that's when the market starts to propel in one direction. The thing is, it's not even leaving any fair value gap here, even a small one from where we can expect a bounce to happen. So that in itself is a thing to watch. That okay, why is the market not leaving any fair value gaps or anything? If it was, then we can say okay, the market wants to propel in upward direction. It's just waiting. So if there are no fair value gaps, there's nothing. All you can do is use this fair value gap as a placeholder. The one over here, the second one of the acceleration gaps. That okay, this is the placeholder that we can use for our stops. And luckily for us, that's where our stops are. So our stops are in a beautiful, beautiful spot right now. Let's see another try. Will it be able to break above or not? Nice. Lower time frames look good now. Looks like it wants to go higher. Maybe a peak down and then push higher. Can it close above Asia high, Asia low at least? Because that could be a good signal as well. Okay, that's the peak. And now push. Come on, push it. Are you serious? You're just not able to displace that high. There you go. Can't move my stops. I'm not moving my stops. Just letting you guys know, there's no movement of stops yet. I'm just letting the stops do sit where they are. That is break even. Once I take a TP, that's when I'll most likely move my stops to this low, and just consider it as protected. Or if we leave a fair value gap now, like this candle and next candle leave a fair value gap, then maybe I'll move my stops straight away without even TP. But until that happens, I cannot move my stops, guys. So just wait and watch, because this market has not confirmed anything as of now. All it has done is swept all the liquidity from up top, and it needs to propel through this area. So no fair value gap to be seen on the top of that high. Just more consolidation. Any questions? Lots of wicks. Yeah, exactly. That's exactly my point. Loads of wicks on the upside. And it does feel like it wants to go lower. So that's fine. If it goes lower, it goes lower. We are break even, so we should be protected. I'm still going to just let the stops do their thing on break even. So if I get stopped out, I get stopped out. That's fine. So we'll let the stops do its thing. I think it's fine. I think I still like what the price is doing, but would have loved it to accelerate higher quicker. It didn't, but it is what it is. Sometimes you get what you want, sometimes you don't get what you want. That's life. What would make you short? What would make me short? Inversion of these. So inversion of this fair value gap closing below. That will be an indication for me that I can enter a short position, which is not true yet. So as of now, it's a to be honest, as of now, it's still bullish. The way it is respecting this fair value gap and not able to go below it, it's honestly, that's good, isn't it? Like, we have left a small fair value gap, I think, over here. No. So again, another try. Let's see what it wants to do. Yep, failed again. Just went into consolidation. Fucking shit price action. By the way, people who are not on Discord, so 8 of you on the Twitter and remaining are on YouTube. People who are not on Discord, our Discord is free. Please do join. The link is in the description. No hidden charges, no nothing. And yeah, you can ask me questions there. You can send your trades for review if you want to. I'm not going to review all the trades, but I will try to review some as and when I get opportunities. And if you don't journal your trades, we have Funded Ladder. That's a free journal. Again, no hidden cost. It's up to you what sources, like what sort of membership you want on it. There is a free journal, then there are paid sides of it as well, but you can use the free one. There is no hidden cost in that. And lastly, if you want to become a mentee, which if most of you are, at least on YouTube, I'm stopped on this. Yeah, feel free to reach out to us on squidtraders.com and we'll get in touch. I have to say it every time. Sorry, people who know me. I'm so sorry. It's a business. You have to. If you don't advertise, you become fucking shit. Nobody comes to you. That's life. You have to sell. Zach Ahmed ZA. ZA, how many accounts do you have? If you are here, can you just fucking log in from one account so I know who you are? And why don't we talk on Discord, ZA? You're always away. You need to send your trades. If you don't send your trades there, then how the fuck will people know what you are doing? I don't know if, yeah. You're home. How do I care if you're home or you're not home? Did you message me that you're going to go be home today? No. Oh, you're sick. Okay, sorry about that, ZA. Rest up, brother. Rest up. I love you. Don't worry. All right. This motherfucker doesn't want to do anything. Yeah, I'm out of this long, guys. So, okay. Let's make it simple. I mean, I'm not going anywhere yet. But now, yes, I want to short. I am thinking of a short. I want to take a position. But not unless I go below previous day low. Till the time I'm above previous day low, I am bullish. This trade is out of the window. I don't even know what the fuck will I journal in this, but let me get rid of this for now, and then I'll think about the journal later. Yeah, you just went 20 contracts short, I'm quite sure. I mean, it's a bit risky, I mean, as of now, but it does look good. I'll not say it does not look good. For me, a short opportunity will be somewhere around here. So a closure below this, but trust me, I mean, it's a massive stop loss. So yeah, poof. Let me look here. I'm happy to take a short here as well. On the close of this 5-minute candle. It will look something like this. Stops will be up on the body instead of the wicks. $127 as of now, and then can go lower as much as I want. So that's not a bad area to take a short from. But yeah, you should wait for a closure of this 5-minute and a closure below this. Not just a closure, a proper closure below this. Because what I expect market to do now is, close somewhere around here, invert this, or just close below it, push into the midline, and then start going lower. That's what I would expect. Well, I expect a lot of things. 90% of them never happen. So yeah. Cool. I think this is going to be just a plus 0.9 hour day for me. Until and unless I see something clear, which I'm not able to see, honestly. I'm not pretending. I'm just trying to tell you that I really don't see anything yet. Where is Kumar today? Kumar is also not there. Kumar is not there as well. Fucking Kumar. He vanished. Kumar is there. Why didn't you say hi to me yet? Like, there's no comment from you, no hi from you. Dude, we don't meet every day. This way is a way for me to know everyone is alive, everyone is doing well. So if not anything, I don't care how many people watch us. For people whom I know personally and I've talked to, whenever you come on the stream, do say a hi. It's just a way for me to know everything is good in life. Okay? Okay, you just got in now. So that means my heart knew that you are here now. You see the connection we have built? Kumar, even when your wife comes home, you don't know she's home. But you came into the stream, I got to know. My love for you is better than a fucking Bollywood movie, bro. When I come to Manchester next, we are going for drinks, Kumar. I promised that to ZA as well, but ZA never wants to meet me. Looks like I missed the short position. I mean, taking this on a $150 fucking stop is insane. No, I don't want to do that. There's no other way. There is no other way. If I want to take a shot, I have to use that stop loss. 150. Damn it. Can't. What? One contract? No, I'm not doing that shit. And honestly, I didn't know that you are in here, Kumar. Honestly. So, yeah. I will basically enter on a retest of this. Otherwise, there is no trade for me. So, once this candle closes, I want to see a retest of this. The moment we go up, I'll click and enter no matter the reaction. Or maybe I'll wait for a 1 minute reaction. Maybe. I'll wait for a 1 minute reaction and enter on that. But if I don't get a 1 minute reaction, then there's no trade for me. So let's see whether we go to retest it or not. If we don't, then I'm not taking a trade, guys. It's okay. Sometimes it's good to miss trades. So there's no, yeah, it's not gone back to retest that BPR for which I wanted to see. Well, it can happen in the next 5 minutes. So I'll just wait. I'll wait for it to go, retest, and see a 1 minute reaction. How does the market react in the next 1 minute? And then I'll take a trade. Otherwise, there's no trade for me. It's a very massive stop loss. I can't really play that. Simple theory. And I'm not getting any other opportunity other than that, which I can see. I mean, there was this, like, sweeping of this high, but nah, I'll not play that. Like, I'll not play that on normal day to day, so why? So you're just waiting for an opportunity to be able to enter this. I don't think I will get one, but let's hope for the best. Because I don't have a place to put my stops at all. Like, I literally do not know where will I put my stops. So that's why I can't enter this trade. I can only see this order block and maybe wait for a 2 minute closure underneath and then use the high of this candle as a way to enter. Or if we leave a fair value gap inside the order block, use that and use the high of the candle as a stop loss to enter. But I think that will be me searching for a trade. So that's why I am deciding that I'm not going to enter and just let the market do what it is doing, because I'm not comfortable with that. So it's okay. Well, I think I've made enough money to buy 1 year worth of grocery yesterday, so I should be okay. How much is grocery in UK? So let's say 1,200 pounds. That's around $1,500. No, 6 months worth of grocery yesterday. 7 months. No, Fucking hell, fuck it. 15 months worth of grocery yesterday. And in that grocery, do add that I'm going to buy paneer as well, which is a bit expensive in UK. So not just grocery with some fucking paneer in it. And not just normal paneer. Going to go fucking East Ham and get the best paneer possible. Okay, so just waiting on it. I am not jumping the gun. I am still not sold on this price action until we are trading inside of this order block. So I'm just gonna wait and watch and do as the market wants to do. Dun, dun. Expensive than chicken, ha ha ha. Yes, bro. Because nobody fucking eats it. That's why it's more expensive. Cool. Mm-hmm. So what I want to see is this. Go below. Please come back retest. And that is when I want to enter. Yeah, that's what I want to see. So if that doesn't happen, then no trade. Yeah. But yes, that's what I want to see. As you can see, this is my thesis. I want it to close below this and then go back and retest this fair value gap. Not do it what it is doing right now, because if it does this right now, I would say it's again going higher. And yeah, I'll just wait and watch then. But yeah, that's it from me. I don't think I'll get an opportunity. Stops are too wide. I didn't get a good entry above. I thought it's going to go higher. It looked like it wants to go higher, then it stalled. Didn't lose anything, didn't make anything. It's a very, very much, it's for 50 minutes of my life spent with you guys instead of making money, which I like as much as I like making money. So that is good. But yes, thank you so much to everyone who's basically came to watch me. Twitter people as well as YouTube people. I really appreciate all of you. And I will see you tomorrow then. FVG inside OB is the unicorn model. You are correct, Iliada. Iliada is getting smarter day by day. I'm telling you guys, beware of Iliada. She's going to become basically the ladies in the mentorship. Iliada, Jacqueline, and Jackie, all three. I'm telling all the mentees that I have who are male, beware of them. They are going to show you what real PNL is. Give them time. Yeah, nice. All right. Lovely. Take care. Have a very, very good day. And I'll see you guys tomorrow then. Sorry that we could not find a good trade. Unluckily, I did not see the market coming down. I thought it's going to go higher. But as somebody told me, I don't have to be sorry. So fuck you all. Take care. Bye.